has something to share as well from ABS-CBN, of course. So the themes, of course, I already touched on what stories we would like to put forward to Prime Video. But let's not forget, there's also overarching themes that's also its creative advantage. So, Rodel, your contribution to this piece?
We're featuring family dramas, suspense, action. We're also with what do you say? Sorry.
No. Kwentuhan tayo.
These are Prime Video, and of course we're very excited, and we're showing a lot of surprises later. I know if I'm a little bit saying.
Ako na lang mag-reveal later. During the lineup. Because we are announcing some of the created, from not just the originals, but even some of the title offerings already that's existing. So, I think most of our panelists are to say, wait na lang. But either way, what I love is again, your enthusiasm for this opportunity for collaboration to happen. All ideas are not limited to what Anoy was saying earlier, that we have to churn out these stories because you have all these not gatekeeping, more of like parameters in place. But now again, it's changed. Being part of a Prime Video lineup can change the game. Is that correct?
Yes.
So, what makes you excited to push the envelope, maybe? Or not necessarily for bigness sake, but really to just say, this is the heart of what we can offer.
Because with Prime Video, you're bringing your stories to the global market. So we're very excited. Actually experimenting on how to write it, or how to use it, champion. Of course, we're going to say this. Should be
One of the things I've seen partnering with ABS-CBN is there is a lot of on-screen creativity which is visible to all of us. Right? The stories, the characters, it's visible. But what I really love about working with some of the partners in ABS-CBN is there's a lot of creativity behind the scenes as well. In the way they are approaching production and marketing and all of the efforts that go into creating something on screen. And I think that's what I really appreciate about working with Rodel. So thank you.
And I think the hesitation is more, how much can I say? I think it's that's how we're like, we go there, coming out, so let me say it. We want to talk about Honor Thy Mother, ladies and gentlemen. And that stars Sharon Cuneta and Barbie Forteza. So Aloy and Rodel, collaboration at its heart. Jimmy and ABS-CBN. So how does this, your feelings towards it, the collaboration, for the collaboration that's happening, just a bit detailed without giving too much away, maybe?
It's funny, Ronald and I worked, I was in the ABS-CBN for a while, in a network before I moved to GMA. And at that time, it was a hype in network wars, and there was like a wall between us where there's no crossing boundaries. We got boxed into where we belong, artists, storytellers, showrunners, and writers, and whatever, and all that. We couldn't cross boundaries. And so this is a golden era for this is such a casting tool. And I'm just really happy for Barbie because we love her. She grew up literally before our eyes when she was this little teenage tween girl, and she's this kind of generational talent who in terms of craft, because she can do comedy on one hand and do the heavy dramatic shots on the other hand, and she can do both in one singular expression. We're just really happy and excited for her that she's doing this with Sharon Cuneta. There's also a generational talent, so, and this is brought together by the collaboration between GMA. I know that few times because of that program is. And I'm just really happy and excited for that because I know there's a lot of expectations for the
It's a defining moment for us.
yeah.
Because we used to compete, and now we're collaborating together with this great project. And of course, we're friends. I hope.
Are we? Not only with friends, it's always it's the nicest people in music.
Okay, that's an idea right there. That's a creative idea. It's a show in the making. Okay,
We
sorry.
show how much competing.
Yeah, you never that's another show.
Bringing together the Puso Prime and Princess Party for this, and Miss Sharon Paleta, the movie next. It's already a big accomplishment. So it's quite an accomplishment for us.
And we're looking forward to what that will show later on. But for now, just to wrap this all up, again, Caitlin, Chetanya, Rondel, Aloy Randolph, what does this collaboration mean for Filipino storytelling? Where do you see Filipino content going in the next few years? If I may start from there, I'll go ladies last. I know, not ladies first, ladies last. So, yes, please.
Yeah, I think the way to go forward is going to sharing our authentic Filipino narratives to the global world. I think that's it.
Thank you. Aloy?
This is a golden era for us Filipino storytellers because now we're not just making stories that to our local audiences and thank you to Amazon for this opportunity to platform our local stories to Prime Video, not just to the Filipino audience all over the world, but to the global audiences. And with it, of course, comes the challenge of the welcome challenge of elevating storytelling and elevating our local standards to global standards. But the ambition really is to, for anyone in the world, anybody in the world to have the title of a Filipino family, the title in front of you on the screen and click on it because they know that it's going to be a compelling ride and entertainment.
And it is available on Prime Video.
Yes.
Thank you for that. How about Randolph?
Yeah, I think doing season 1 of Fast Food Cafe proved that we don't need to pretend to be someone else. As Filipinos, we can create our original materials, even if the format is global, but you have to make sure that it will resonate not only to the Filipinos and Filipinos abroad, but globally. So when we do that, we stick to our core, and then we don't pretend to be someone else, and we do our voice, that makes it global. That's what travels. We don't need to pretend to be, too much of the international taste, because if we stick to our core, that becomes international, that becomes global.
Thank you for that. That goes back to actually what people said at the start, local first. Really has to start with that. Chetanya?
Yeah, I think for us, it is very, very important to build long-lasting partnerships, build this culture of trust between the content creators and Prime Video. And really, they are the experts. We want to give them the creative freedom to come up with ideas and concepts and storytelling that resonates deeply with audiences. So that's really what we want to achieve in the long run. And hopefully we make some great friends along the way and have a great time too.
Yeah, that counts. And finally, Caitlin.
Well, you've all said a lot of amazing things. I think we've seen recently the ability to bring content into the Philippines. Like Last One Laughing working here like it has elsewhere. And I think what I'm most excited about is really choosing which stories we should really focus on for our worldwide peers and audiences. And I think here especially, there are so many beautiful young stars, young talent, young influencers. I'm excited about the young stories, the young narratives, the young storytelling, because there's such an appetite for that worldwide. And I think Philippines is just the prime place to grow that sort of storytelling.
And we have to say thank